We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with Nano Dimension's NNDM stock continuing to try to hold support above the 315 area. And in today's volatility, it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 10:25 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 50% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with NNDM stock, Nano Dimensions, continuing to try to hold support. We're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow and what's going on with the inflow versus outflow indicators, as well as the bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 9:15 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with NNDM stock, Nano Dimensions, doing a full transition from red bars to bright green bars in today's volatility and continuing to fight above $3. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with NNDM stock, Nano Dimensions, under a bull indicator here since 317 area, and inflows crossing back over. But it's going to be crucial and critical to not ignore that outflows have started to begin. Now, the chart has not completely collapsed because these outflows have not crossed over the midpoint to the downside, and this bull indicator has not been canceled. And it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to stay above the midpoint to continue to hold the strength of this bull indicator and this staircase effect within these charts. Definitely something to not overlook here on the 30-minute chart. Now, when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could go ahead and see here how inflows have crossed back over, and it's been under a bull indicator here since the 308 area. Tight range of consolidation here between 310 and 315, 320 area, and every time it comes over 320, it goes ahead and rejects, guys. Definitely something to not overlook here. Within the charts and the 1 hour chart, you could see these inflows slowing down at 0.05. The most recent highs up here is 0.10. Definitely something to not ignore here on the 1 hour, that it could possibly go higher based off the history of the chart. And also it's rejected up here near the 328 area multiple times. So those are the two things I would not ignore here on the bigger picture. Now when we zoom in and look at this within the volatility of the 15-minute, we could see here outflows crossed over, full transition from the rip area to the dip area in today's pre-market, back up to the rip area at today's highs, consolidation there, bull indicator still holding true here from the 314 area, but outflows have crossed over. So lots of volatility here, and in the last 3 days, every single time it pulls back, those outflows cross over. Now, the only difference is no bear indicator has popped up yet on this possible crossover of dominance of outflows, and it's going to be crucial and critical in the volatility of the 15-minute going into tomorrow if the bulls are going to continue to hold this true here and this staircase effect for these inflows to pick back up, guys. Go from red to green, cross the midpoint. I would not ignore that and overlook it here, as the bull indicator is still in effect and no bear indicator has popped up yet in the 15-minute chart. Now, to the upside and to the downside, the key levels I would watch, well, the first thing is support, and the first support level is 320. If that gets broken through, the next support I'll be watching is 314. It's been a crucial area of support within the last several days and weeks, and if these outflows cross over to the downside and they cross over even further on the 15-minute, pulling away from the midpoint, well, the next support I'll be watching based off the history of the chart is where the bull indicator popped up near the 307 area, and then below that is the $3 area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching. To the downside, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to level off here, bring themselves back up, but not just here on the 30-minute pull themselves back up, but on the 15-minute cross over, cross that midpoint, start reflecting that strength into these charts to retest key resistance levels and bring that strength over here to the 30-minute to continue this staircase effect and hold these bull indicators true. And the first resistance is the 330 area. Then above that is 333 to 335. And if that gets broken through, I'll be watching the 340 area. These are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial and critical. And the inflow versus outflow, I would not ignore them. They're going to be critical, not to be overlooked here. As they're pulling down towards the midpoint, it's crossed over on the 15-minute, and the 30-minute and the 1 hour are slightly above. And it's going to be crucial for them to stay above to justify any further strength here into these charts. And multiple rejections have happened here every time it tries to get over 320. Definitely something to not ignore. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.